Toyota has unveiled its second electric model, the Urban Cruiser EV. It features the same bulky, albeit attractive, design as the urban SUV concept that was unveiled a year earlier. The production version is only available in Europe, and the subcompact crossover is built on a new electric chassis shared with the Suzuki e-Vitara, another unusual UTA that is not available in the US. The Urban Cruiser EV, which measures 168.7 inches long, is almost a half-foot shorter than the Toyota Corolla Cross, the company's smallest new SUV now sold in America. The Urban Cruiser is comparable in size to the foreign-market Toyota Yaris Cross, but the EV has a 5.5-inch longer wheelbase, 106.3 inches. Toyota states that the Urban Cruiser has two powertrain variants and an equal number of battery alternatives. The front drive type produces 142 horsepower and 139 pound-feet of torque with the basic 49.0 kilowatt-hour battery. With the larger 61.0 kilowatt-hour pack, peak horsepower increases to 172. Both batteries use lithium iron phosphate, LFP, chemistry. The larger battery is required for the more powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive arrangement, which produces 181 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. Toyota did not disclose any information on the Cruiser's anticipated driving range. The interior of the EV doesn't appear to be particularly cheap. The primary materials actually seem appealing. There has a physical stereo volume knob in addition to a squircle steering wheel. There is extra storage space under the center console. A 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster faces the driver, while a 10.1-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay controls the infotainment system. The Urban Cruiser's compact design belies its adaptable cabin, which has sliding back seats that divide 40-20-40, allowing passengers or cargo to be prioritized.